In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app. It should be in Samsung folder. Then select Allow and Allow while using if you never used this app before. And before recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and adjust all of those however you want to. When you're ready, go back and use red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it and click on play button on the left. To end it and save it though, click on the square one on the right. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on bookmark over here whenever you wish to. Then type in a title of your recording, hit save and tap on it to play it. Add a bookmark. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can use all of those options to make it perfect, like skip silences. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you need to go back to the list and hold it to access Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!